Hey guys, it's Stu here, September 13th going into September 14th, sharing the micro E-mini S&P 500 contract here with the September expiration. As you can see from the video on September 11th, we have all these levels still marked out, and the thesis was absolutely true. Talked about shorting at 41.43. This morning during CPI data, we wicked right above that level, and that would have yielded at that fill price over 200 handles easy. My first profit target was the top of this order block right here, 180 handles. So very, very significant payout. If we go into the shorter time frames, there wasn't ever a chance to enter. So you would have had to have that sell order filled, and we barely broke above the 41.43 level, closed right above it, and then we absolutely dropped. All right, so what are we looking for the rest of the week? I'm going to pull up the December contract because we're going to start charting that and trading that. That goes for S&P 500 and NASDAQ. All right, so immediately we're looking for us to take out sell side liquidity at this point at 38.99. You're going to notice that the prices fluctuate about 20 to 15 handles from the September contract all the way to the December contract. All right, so let's get our fibs drawn right here. We can remember where we bounced. This was the same as when we went long previously. If we shorten our time frame here, we can see that we have broken well below the 786 of this range, and we are absolutely heading for our sell side liquidity down here right below 3,900. Once we clear that, then, and if only then, we will look for a reversal or for the market to try to come back and take out this high right here. So we'll mark that. Or we will look for a continuation to sell side liquidity all the way at 37.41. So for the very immediate time frame, I'm bearish until we take out essentially 3,900. So we've got about 56 handles to go. We'd like to see a nice little retracement back up, send us all the way to our profit target here. Only thing that's relatively noticeable before we get to our sell side liquidity here at 37.41 is a fair value gap here on the daily chart. And this fair value gap has already been satisfied right here. So ultimately, I see this going down, making a new low, potentially even coming down to 36.55. We take MNQ. MNQ is going to be in the same boat, different levels. So MNQ and ES looks like they were leading about the same time. MNQ did make it a little bit lower. Probably help if I did my fibs the right way. So MNQ is almost all the way to our sell side liquidity. So we absolutely expect to see this fulfilled before anything. And then again, we've got a very, very, depending on how I guess today goes, this right here could be a huge, huge liquidity void that will come rebalance at some point. So we're still in the immediate time frame looking for ourselves to take out this sell side liquidity right at 1200. Nice round numbers on the ES being 4000 or 3900. 1200 almost even on NQ here. And then I'm going to show how we've got equal lows here with another sell stop resting right below that. And this right here to me looks like a high resistance liquidity run. So if we do see ourselves continue to go a little bit lower here, and we are going to continue our short bias, we're going to have to respect these fair value gaps and other levels before we get down to these areas, because they could be heavily protected or big money could have exited and it's time to look for lower lows. That's it for today, folks. We've got alerts every day and market analysis and lucid investing. And it helps you take advantage of, and not only just take advantage of, it helps you learn how to apply this yourself. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the bio below. And until next time.